Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account using an Android phone or an iPhone in 2026. If you're planning to permanently remove your Facebook account for privacy reasons, to take a break from social media, or simply because you no longer use it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your Facebook account will permanently remove your profile, photos, videos, messages, and all other data associated with your account. So make sure to watch this video until the end to understand everything before you proceed. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you are logged in to the account you want to delete. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. On some iPhones, this icon may appear at the bottom right. Now scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings to open your account settings page. At the top of the settings page, tap Account Center. This is where you manage your account settings across Facebook and other Meta apps. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details to continue. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control. This section contains options related to your account management. Now, tap Deactivation or Deletion. You will see options related to disabling or permanently removing your account. Select Delete Account, then tap Continue. This will start the account deletion process. Facebook may suggest alternatives like deactivating your account or downloading your information. Scroll down and tap Continue to account deletion. Finally, enter your Facebook password to confirm. Then tap Delete Account to submit your deletion request. Your account will now be scheduled for deletion. Before you delete your Facebook account, here are a few important things to know. Your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. However, Facebook usually allows 30 days to cancel the request if you change your mind. After that period, all your photos, posts, messages, and account data will be permanently removed. Once the deletion process is complete, your account cannot be recovered. So make sure to download any important data before deleting your account. And that's how you can delete your Facebook account using an Android phone or an iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.